For millennia, humanity has wrestled with the most fundamental question: what is the nature of experience? From the earliest carvings and the oldest written scrolls, seekers across every civilization have probed the veil, attempting to map the contours of reality and discern the hidden meaning embedded within existence. These ancient texts whisper of patterns, suggesting a profound truth lay dormant, waiting to be uncovered through contemplation and revelation. This quest is more than mere philosophy. It is an echo of a deeper, perhaps spiritual yearning. It touches upon the very heart of what we call the biblical mystery, the grand unfolding of existence that demands understanding beyond the observable surface of things. The human spirit instinctively senses that reality is not merely a collection of separate objects, but an interconnected tapestry woven from unseen forces and underlying harmonies. For ages, wisdom was sought in prophecy and metaphor, hinting at universal laws that governed both the physical world and the unseen spiritual architecture of the cosmos. Yet this profound understanding remained largely unspoken, locked away within layers of interpretation and dogma. The answer existed, a coherent framework describing how consciousness interacted with matter, but it remained inaudible, a silent chord waiting for the right resonance. Then came a seismic shift. A revolution in thought occurred where intuition yielded to mathematics, and mystery began to be translated into observable law. This transition marks the beginning of a new era, one where the answers were no longer hidden in silence, but were demanding to be perceived through a new lens. The journey toward this spiritual awakening begins when we acknowledge that the deepest secrets of reality are not external discoveries, but internal awakenings waiting for the right perspective. The search for understanding necessarily moved from the macrocosm of experience to the microcosm of existence. For centuries, the accepted framework of physics, built upon the elegant mechanics of Newton, described the observable world with predictable precision. Yet this classical vision held a deep, unspoken limitation when peering into the deepest strata of reality. It suggested that what we could measure and perceive, the bulk of matter we interact with daily, was the final truth. But as the 20th century dawned, a profound shift began to occur. A restless dissatisfaction grew within the scientific community, an intuitive sense that the classical mechanics failed to account for the true nature of reality. This dissatisfaction found its powerful expression in the study of the infinitely small. Physics began to turn its attention not to the macroscopic world we see and touch, but to the realm where true activity was occurring, the quantum domain. The emergence of quantum mechanics marked a complete rupture with the established atomistic vision. The classical view held that matter was discrete, fixed, and defined by sharp boundaries. However, the investigation into the infinitesimal revealed a fundamentally different picture. When we examined matter at its smallest scales, the solidity we assumed dissolved, replaced by a dynamic potentiality, a field of probability where properties were not fixed until observed. This revolution forced a re-evaluation of what reality fundamentally is. It suggested that the material world was not composed of static objects waiting to be measured, but rather of continuous interconnectedness, vibrating systems existing in a state of potent potential. The shift was profound, from a universe defined by rigid, separate entities to one governed by fluidity and correlation. This new understanding opened a door, hinting at a deeper reality that existed beyond the limitations of linear observation, suggesting that the very substance we perceive is merely the condensed expression of an underlying, dynamic unity. It began to hint at a hidden meaning woven into the fabric of existence, waiting for a conscious mind to perceive it. The quantum realm reveals a profound secret about existence. Reality is not fixed and separate, but exists as probability until it is actualized by interaction. At the heart of this dynamic process lies the act of observation. Before measurement, energy exists in a state of potentiality, a wave of possibility encompassing all potential outcomes. It is only when consciousness engages with this field that the potential collapses, transforming the abstract vibration into concrete form, giving rise to the tangible world we perceive. This relationship between the observer and the observed challenges our conventional understanding. The separation between mind and matter dissolves at this fundamental level. Quantum mechanics suggests a deep duality in all processes, the interplay between what is seen and what is unseen, the visible structure and the hidden potential. Yet within this duality, there is an underlying unity, a single, indivisible whole from which all manifestations spring. This concept hints at a truth echoed in ancient texts and the deepest spiritual wisdom, that the separation we experience is merely an illusion of perspective. David Bohm explored this unity, suggesting that everything is interconnected through an underlying structure, a holistic field where particles are not isolated entities, but parts of a larger, undivided pattern. To truly grasp this reality requires moving beyond the fragmented, classical view and accepting the dance between potential and actualization. This shift invites us to look beyond the surface phenomena and uncover the hidden meaning woven into the fabric of our experience, recognizing that what we observe is merely one unfolding of a deeper, cosmic prophecy. The spiritual awakening begins when we accept that we are not separate observers, but integral components of this single, living reality. The shift in understanding does not end with the equations of physics. It deepens into a spiritual revelation. As we moved from the rigid certainty of classical mechanics to the fluid probabilities of the quantum world, the static picture of the universe fractured. The universe is no longer a collection of isolated, fixed objects awaiting observation. It becomes a dynamic field of interconnected potentiality. This transition mirrors an ancient wisdom that speaks not in absolute terms, but in relational dynamics, a truth hinted at within the great ancient texts and echoed in the deep currents of biblical mystery. The relativistic view shows us that space and time are not independent containers, but woven into a unified fabric, demonstrating that everything is relative, moving in constant flux. This realization dissolves the illusion of a fixed external reality. When we accept this dynamic perspective, we abandon the need to analyze existence in fragmented parts. Instead, we must embrace the concept of globality, recognizing that the microcosm and the macrocosm are inseparable manifestations of the same underlying process. This is the core of the spiritual awakening, moving from analysis to acceptance. The hidden meaning is found not in deciphering separate pieces of data, but in perceiving the unity of the whole. When we allow ourselves to perceive this holistic flow, this dynamic interplay between potential and actuality, we begin to see the underlying structure of reality that was always present, waiting to be recognized. It suggests a kind of prophecy, an intuitive understanding that certain truths about consciousness and creation operate on principles far deeper than conventional science alone can articulate. We are called to move beyond observing the parts to experiencing the whole, recognizing that our own awareness is intrinsically linked to this universal unfolding.